20 more minutes into I'm 20 more minutes into
Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. My hair looks a little crazy. I just got a haircut. Yes, today is another haul video because I got a gift card and I got more swimsuits and a grad dress. I just want to show you guys all of it. Let's just get right into it. I'm gonna grab this because it's like the first thing in front of me. My graduation gown and my cords. But that's not what I'm trying to show y'all. I'm trying to show y'all my grad dress, which is from Princess Polly. Look how cute. So it obviously has daisy on it, and it's white, and it has like ruching, and it has the little ties at the bottom. I think it was like $54 or something like that. It's the Daisy Faye mini dress, and I got it in a US 4. I was waiting for it to come in stock for so long in my size. So there was like one left and I ordered it at like midnight. A lot of this stuff I actually got like a pretty good while back too, and I kind of just like drew everything into like one haul. So from Fable, which is like a Target brand basically, I got these ripped jeans. It's just like ripped in the knee holes basically, and then the bottom it's like normal, but I might rough it up some more because it is kind of distressed, but I want to distress it more because these are like the perfect length for me, and normally I cuff my jeans, so I'm gonna just destroy the bottom and like rip it up more so it looks like more normal, so I don't have to cuff it, because if I cuff it it's like way too short. And I showed this on Poshmark, so I wanted to do the TikTok DIY on them where you bleach one side, and I'm still deciding on if I want to or not. I'm kind of nervous to do it, so I've had these for like 2 weeks now, or like honestly probably like over a month, and I just haven't done it yet. And also from Target, but these are all brand new. Also from Fable is just this basic white v-neck crop top, and it's in the size of large, and it's also $5. So yeah, I had a gift card to Target, so I just bought this stuff with it. But I also bought the gift card, our 2 tank tops from A New Day. I got them in a size small, so there's just this black one. It's racer back, and then I got the same style or whatever, but also in a gray color. And I'm gonna crop both of these because they're like really long, because they're like tighter fitting and they're long. So moving on, I also got some more swimsuits as you saw in the thumbnail. I got like 3 off of Poshmark. It was like this person sold them in like a bundle or whatever, so it's quite a steal. So I got 2 like sets of bikinis, or 2 pairs of bikinis, and then I got 1 top. So the 1 top that I got was this cheetah or like leopard print, I don't even know what it is, v-neck scoop top, and I'm pretty sure this is from Ruffle. Yeah, it's from Ruffle, and it's a size medium, and it's honestly kind of big, and it didn't come with padding, but you can put padding in. I might sew it to be smaller. I bought like polyester thread and everything like that to do that. There's that. And then in the next swimsuit that it came with was this lavender Ruffle bikini. This is also in a medium, so it's just a square neck or square front top, and it's really cute. I love the color. It makes me look so tan. It also is kind of loose, and it came with padding. For Ruffle, it's like I'm a small in tops and like a medium in bottoms, which they obviously don't do. So the bottoms fit like perfectly fine. They're just seamless plain bottoms, like they're the same color inside and out. I hate when that swimsuit is like the color on the outside and like white on the inside, if y'all know what I mean. The last swimsuit that I got in that bundle is also, they're all from Ruffle, I guess. I didn't realize that. It's this triangle top with ruffles, and I think this one was actually in a small. Yeah, this was in a small. So the straps are adjustable for this swimsuit. It only has like 1 clasp on the back. It's like a kind of gray blue shade. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but it's like a gray blue. And then the bottoms, of course, they're kind of tight. And I don't know how I feel about the ruffles being on the bottoms. If anything, I might just take them off, because I've already worn the top. I just haven't worn the bottoms with it. And I think a big part of it is the ruffles, because I thought it would be cute, but then like when it's on, I don't really know how I feel about it. So I also ordered more swimsuits, but I ordered them from ROMWE because I wanted to try it out and see how it was different from Shein. And ROMWE is like 5 cents cheaper for like every item that they have. And I'm pretty sure Shein and ROMWE are the same exact company, or like sister companies. You all know what I mean? Because like even Ruffle, like they're all basically the same thing. They all sell like the same things. So I got 2 swimsuits from there, both in mediums. So the first one is this white bikini. Oh my gosh, there's just strings everywhere. Basically, even though I ordered from ROMWE, they came in Shein bags. So ROMWE basically sells stuff from Shein, but for a tad bit cheaper, and the shipping is typically cheaper. So it's like spend $10 and get free shipping, whereas Shein is like spend $50. You know what I mean? So just a little secret. So it's this white cutout front top. It's like sheer on the front. Is that what the material is? It's really soft. There's also 3 straps in the back. There's no padding also. I kind of wish there was. I might just like cut a slit and like put padding in there because like I need the padding. It definitely flattens me out a little bit, and I feel like it could be tighter. If anything, I can always just sew it tighter. And then these are what the bottoms look like. They are incredibly cheeky. Don't think I will wear them. If anything, I'll wear different bottoms with that swimsuit. Yeah, these are just too cheeky for my liking. I don't know. The last swimsuit that I got is this blue tie-dye one. So here is the top. It comes with padding. So cute. Size medium once again. Adjustable straps. Here are the bottoms. The bottoms are like a tad tight, but I think I can just like stretch them out a little bit, call it a day. They're like not so cheeky also. And then the cool thing about this swimsuit is that it came with a wrap. I don't know, it is so cute. I want to go to Florida so bad this summer and wear it like F coronavirus. I also got some fake tattoos from ROMWE, and again it says Shein on there. I got them because I wanted to put it on like my shoulder and do like a ABG transformation, but also just to see what I would look like with tattoos right here, because I really do want more tattoos. I want like a, I don't even know what you call it, a shoulder kind of tattoo or like a half sleeve kind of thing. I know my dad was like, what do you need more tattoos? But I just want more. I know, I thought it would be fun, but also to like trick people into thinking that I got another tattoo, but really I didn't. But eventually, I mean, I will get more. This is just for fun. It was like $1 and I did it to get myself free shipping, so. But that is it for the haul. If you guys enjoyed it, it was pretty short, pretty simple. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the thumbs up button. And also follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram. They're the same handle. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye bye the morning, girl. I gotta go. Gotta get ready. Tonight is my show. If you okay.